Kani kedai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rasa pi da ke rupa, ringkat bat ke orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Ban Pynsngewthuh ya ki Paidbah khamtam nadu bakidang samla karta. Halor ke hok long breu, bat khamtam halor ke hok jong ki Kynthei. Hakani ke kenti la pelong ya ke Lympung Pynsngewthuh Paidbah. Hakawai na ki jaka puli bapau ke bah hakani nong ba Shillong. Ya kani ke jelang Pynsngewthuh Paidbah ke balatib haktian English ke baong awareness program on human rights and issues relating to rights of women la pelong ha St Mary's College Shillong ha ka lai poterek mentau benai risau arajar ke Kynthei. Lasdangi kini ke jelang ha kini ke sngi da ke jingthang ya ke syaram da ki kendram ki lendan ki balasakot soba sya kini ke jelang. Balapan board part sa ke jing duai kerpang na ki samla pule jong ke Department of Political Science. Bat ya kini ke jelang la penlong ringkat ke jing trelang bat ke Meghalaya Human Rights Commission. Bat layo ya ke jing pidang sobha kini ke sngi ya ki nawan shimenta na ke vice principal jong kini ke college. Ha kini ke jelang play ya kini ke Lympung ajing hikai lai dan ringkat ru u chairperson barim jong ke Meghalaya Human Rights Commission u Dr. Justice Aftaf Hussein Saikia u balalong kongsan. Wei ni kiri syempang u balawan ban senyang ya ke jingnang jingtep halor ke hok long breu bat ke hok jong ki Kynthei. Udai u acting chairperson jong ke Meghalaya Human Rights Commission u PJP Hanaman. Bat hakani ke sngi la peniru hakani ke Lympung ya ke documentary film ke bala ai kerteng Voices of Victims of Human Trafficking. Bat layo jingkeren ru halor kani ke film na ke coordinator jong ke Meghalaya Human Rights Commission ke Kong E Sotun.
Why do we celebrate Women's Day, International Women's Day in March? Women have been fighting for the right to vote. Okay, we do have a rights, but these rights, but as women, we come from a long way of struggle. We come with a long baggage of struggle and movements. Okay, that's why the government has also, India, even the UN also adopted this convention in order to ensure that women are able to what? We need to bridge the gender gap that is there. Okay, gender equality or gender justice can be achieved only when both men and women enjoy the same rights. Even though there is the International Convention for Political, Social, Cultural Rights, isn't it? Political rights. Even though the convention is there, women still have to struggle for the right to vote, or even to say right to contest for an election, isn't it? We are still fighting. So as women, we come along with this baggage, okay? And under the constitutional law of India, it says, women have equal rights as men, so as to enable them to take part effectively in the administration of the country. Equality for the law, before the law for women, Article 14 embodies the general principle of equality before law and equal protection of laws. And Article 15 says that the state shall not discriminate against any citizen on grounds only of religion, race, caste, sex, place of birth, or any of them. And the state to direct its policy towards securing for men and women equally the right to an adequate means of livelihood and equal pay for equal work for both men and women. But is this a ground reality? What is the problem that we face as women? We're all women here. We all experience some kind of discrimination, I think, in our journey, in our life. We must have come across. So what kind of issues do you face as women, as young girls? We say that there is feminization of poverty. The real factors which has dramatic effects on psychology and lives of women. The Commission has, I think in the year 2017 itself, we have completed, 17-18, we completed one research study on single mothers in Meghalaya. And the finding of the research shows that most of these women who are single mothers are women who comes from a poor background, and most of them are illiterate. So we can see that most of our women are not educated. Okay, so education is one tool that we need to focus on this issue, that we need to educate educate a girl in order to empower the society.
Definition here says human rights, those rights relating to four categories: life, liberty, equality, and dignity of individual, not in collective way. Every person in individual capacity, his life, her liberty, or his or her dignity, or his or her liberty, equality, shall be subject matter of that individual to come under caption of human rights. And what will be done in these cases? So those are guaranteed under Constitution of India Part 3. That all the fundamental rights guaranteed in the fundamental rights under Constitution are simply and only and wholly human rights. And what is the protection here? The violation of this particular right will be the duty of the court of the law in India. Courts in India will take care of any violation of these rights in four levels, four categories, four fronts: life, liberty, equality, and dignity. So coming under the entire definition of fundamental rights as guaranteed to you under Constitution, protection of life and liberty. Okay, what does it say? What is the narration there? No person shall be deprived of life or personal liberty except procedure established by law. So if a person commits a murder, if a person commits a heinous crime, those are under Indian Penal Code. He will be tried under procedural law. If under this trial, if he is hanged, if he is put to jail, they cannot claim human rights because they are punished according to the law, procedure established by the law. So unless that, save and accept that procedure established by law, no person's life or personal liberty shall be at jeopardy, shall not be asked, not be jeopardized. So there is a basic, and Article 21, that is why I say, the flag bearer of human rights. It covers everything. It covers everything. Tell me something. So, though it's always there, we will not have a technical discussion here. I'll ask some questions. Only our interaction way. So, do you think we are having our human rights protected? What is anybody who can say that a simple example of human rights protection or a violation of that? We say in our commission, when you come to commission, there must be a rider. Rider is that you must complain against a public servant, not against any personal person, private person. If you have any complaint against anybody who is doesn't come under definition of party, your public servant under section 21 Indian Penal Code, he has to go to the general court, advisory court, general court. Unless person having human your public servant involved, nobody can come to human commission. So any violation of any rights, we have the court of law. Starting from, we have three-tier system. Are you aware of the court system here? Court system in India, in your state here, three-tier system. Lowest category, subordinate courts. Then higher court, high court. Then comes Supreme Court. So three-tier system we are prevailing here. On the top Supreme Court, then all cases initiate from the trial court, subordinate courts. Then to High Court, then to Supreme Court. But some cases are there wherein you can go directly to the High Court. Constitution. Say, to know Constitution, to know human rights, one must know Constitution. Constitution is the Bible of human rights. Unless you know Constitution, you should not have any idea of human rights. Because all are engrafted there. The gravity has come to you. Once you know Constitution, then you can have the debate or any expectation or any deliberation on human rights. That is why awareness program is for such nature, so educate you on the human rights vis-a-vis in Constitution alone. Say we have Article 19. There are 6 freedoms. Can you say one freedom? Right to freedom. There are 6 freedom rights in Article 19 as is Constitution provides. Freedom of speech. Tell you one thing. How we are experiencing, day-to-day experience. We are not getting anything. Not any speech. Say, we say freedom of speech. Okay. So I can talk all nonsense? Because freedom of speech there, guaranteed under Article 19. See, Article 19 says you freedom. What a freedom in speech. You can talk all nonsense. It's a license to take, but license to speak. No. The restriction given immediately on that particular article. I am telling that because now situation is there in country, very surcharged everywhere. If you have to be any derivation, anything speaking out, you must be very, very careful. Any slip of tongue, anywhere slip of tongue, you will be landing in the jail. There's a system now. So there's a rider. It is not, I am telling all the time, it is not a license to kill. You have a license to kill? In which movie? Are you aware of that? James Bond. Do you know his code? 007. Under that code, 07 means, well, this code, license to kill anybody. No trial, nothing. So James Bond is the only license, 007. So article freedom of speech is not 007. It is not to speak all nonsense. There is a right there. On 9 fronts, you have to check yourself. Number 1, if your speech of such a nature going to affect sovereignty and integrity of India. Number 2, if you say in such a manner which is going to affect security of India. One part sovereignty and integrity, other is security of India. Third part, if we say something, it affects the public order. It creates public order situation. If you want to say something, it must not go against the friendly state, friendly relation of a foreign state. You must not say anything which will affect the friendly relation of a foreign state. You got my point? That's loaded with meaning, I will not say it. So friendly relation with foreign state, you can't say anything against that. Okay? Then comes morality. Then come obscenity. Then 3 things, after 3 things, you cannot say anything, something that which will go defamation. You cannot incite the people. You cannot say anything which can have the incite the people in concern to do offense. Defamation, contempt of court, and incitement, you cannot do anything. So this is the rider given to freedom of speech. Forget that. Say, now we are all students here. We must be guided by some principles, some philosophy, some morals.
Lok na shoy, they need a picture. Nam picture. Kami di par ish tam joran to kapan. Padu shapo siya kakman. Te katulok ng tengah sa tempet ya parane pe kunduane. Yung ilang yang atas ni. Ia lama itu pada layak kun ikut tu, nak kun iway, ada boleh tu lah lelok masui, nak ia ngamar way.
Bagi jaya, ini dah nak pendiam pada kaya sekolah kita yang, hati tak kaya sekolah no, dengan pendidikan.
Kalau balik aku tu dah ngam, ikut penwalang aku bisa aduk. Ija Teki ki aitin tu nambai kita kedua itu dan si lentu ki aitin tu nambai kat sang nambai Ija nambai arjam tu
in the midst of taking those jobs, kadang bentan jangka unorganized labor, kabelum regulated, kabelum grey. Bandar pepengohi katahi, bandar perluahi, te gilap ba nawisnam shawisnam, ketika change in economy, kayo kapag kadang iper. Kani kabentahi kabawan rahi ya kita kijing siyo aku ba brio ne kabrio kita menjadi kerdo